The Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean Upright Vacuum is a premium, high-performance cleaning machine designed especially for deep cleaning in homes with pets. With powerful suction, advanced cyclone technology, and multiple specialized tools, it delivers exceptional cleaning across carpets, hard floors, and upholstery. Powerful suction, 290 AW for deep cleaning. This vacuum delivers up to 290 air watts of suction, making it one of the most powerful upright vacuums available. It effectively removes embedded dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors, ensuring a thorough clean throughout your home. Radial root cyclone technology, no loss of suction. Dyson's patented radial root cyclone technology maximizes airflow and captures microscopic dust particles. This ensures consistent suction performance without clogging or loss of power over time. Self-adjusting cleaner head for all floors. The vacuum features an intelligent cleaner head that automatically adjusts its height between carpets and hard floors. This creates a tight seal for maximum suction and deeper cleaning across different surfaces. Ball technology for easy maneuverability. Thanks to Dyson's ball technology, the vacuum can turn smoothly with a simple wrist movement. It easily navigates around furniture and tight spaces, providing precise control during cleaning. Advanced HEPA filtration system. The whole machine HEPA filtration system traps 99.97% of fine dust and allergens, ensuring cleaner air is released back into your home. This makes it ideal for allergy sufferers and pet owners. Self-adjusting brush bar and deep carpet cleaning. The motorized brush bar works with the cleaner head to agitate carpet fibers and remove deeply embedded dirt. It provides powerful cleaning performance across all floor types. 8 Dyson engineered accessories for total cleaning. This model comes with 8 specialized tools, including a tangle-free turbine tool, stair tool, mattress tool, and dusting brush. These attachments make it easy to clean furniture, stairs, tight spaces, and even high or hard-to-reach areas. Pet-focused design. Tangle-free tool. Designed for homes with pets, the tangle-free turbine tool removes pet hair from carpets and upholstery without clogging. This makes it highly effective for pet owners dealing with fur and dander. Large dustbin and hygienic emptying. The vacuum includes a large 1.7L dustbin and a hygienic one-click emptying system. This allows for longer cleaning sessions and easy disposal without touching dirt. High-reach wand for versatile cleaning. The instant-release wand and hose extend up to 15 feet, allowing you to clean ceilings, stairs, and under furniture effortlessly. The Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean is a powerful, feature-rich vacuum built for deep cleaning and pet-heavy homes. With strong suction, advanced filtration, and versatile tools, it's an excellent choice for users who want top-tier performance, durability, and all-in-one cleaning capability.